All right, good morning, everybody. It is November 30th, Monday. So let's see if we can get some trades on the board. All right, so here we are. So I had this CVS trade set up. I was like, oh, I got a couple minutes before this candle closes. And then I blinked and I missed it. So there it is right there. Quick winner on the CVS modified play. And, unfortunately, I usually get a bunch of winners and then a couple losers on a day. Sometimes I get all winners, but most of the time it's you get a mix, and I just missed out on a winner. So now it makes you think, what's coming next? Is the next trade going to be a loser? Do I want to take it? Stuff like that starts going through your brain and messes with you, gets in the little mental game. But there you go. So we just had our winner there that I missed out on. All right, looking for next one. Okay, so we got QCOM here setting up with a modified play, which I'm not feeling it that much because the markets are starting to sell off pretty hard right now. 145, 13, 15, 13 to 145, 86. All right, we got about 20 seconds left. This looks like it might hold. We're looking at about 73 cents, so we'll come over here, 73.73. So 27 shares is what I want. 27 shares for a risk reward of 20 bucks. And then we got, all right, we're in. All right, we'll see what happens. We're in. So if this trade does go against me, I'm going to speed bump it. That's why I changed my my stop order. All right, so we jumped into CVS here a little bit late, but we do have a the traditional day trading strategy set up for short play. So we're just a skosh late there on CVS, unfortunately. Get the right tool on here. So stop's going to be 67.82, make it break it. All right, so here we are with CVS. We're getting through the target. Pretty sweet. So in a second here, we're going to cancel. Just cancel one. I will cancel both, whatever. All right, cool. So let's hope this gets back through there again one more time, and I can put my stop in, 67.22. All right, so it hit its target. Hopefully this thing going to rebound on us. Come on, go back down there. All right, well, I'm going to at least put my stop in at 67.52, which is break even roughly, or 67.48. Yeah, I got in a little bit late. So we're going to go ahead and at least put that there, and then I can just move it as I go. Break even plus a couple bucks. Overall, markets are selling off really hard this morning, so we'll see if this continues downward. So I was a little bit nervous getting it to QCOM because it likes to trade with the markets a little bit, and markets are selling off, so I wasn't going to trade that modified play, but I did, and got caught on it. But right now we're looking okay. QCOM coming back. Cut our loss in half so far, almost. A little bit more, be cut in half. All right, I'm going to move my stop because I already hit the target, so this trade is kind of a dead trade. So if it makes a high above this red here, then we'll just be out. It is what it is. We'll take the couple dollars we got and be happy with it. Not really be happy with it, but it is what it is. That's the rules. Hit our target. It's pretty much a dead trade. Should have been out right there, and I didn't. So that's where we're at with that one. And then we'll come back over to QCOM. QCOM coming down nicely. And again, for my students, a speed bump play is really just oh, there we go. That was CVS. Let's go look at it real quick. All right, so $2 in CVS instead of the 15 bucks or whatever it was we could have made because I was a little slow. Today has not been, I'm a little off today, traders, a little off today. So here we are at QCOM. And again, speed bump plays are just, to recover a little bit. Doesn't have to be all of it. I mean, I can get out of this right now and it would be good. Recover a chunk of that. So, basically, it's a one-to-one strategy. So you're making $10 to lose $10 kind of thing. But if you can change that a little bit to where you're making, $10 to lose $5 or $8, then you're ahead. So it works out to be pretty nice. So we're gonna go ahead and this is looking like a good sell-off though. Markets are selling off pretty hard. So, like I said, watching, I trade the same stocks every day, so I get to see how they move. I get to see what they like and all that stuff, and the relationship they have with markets and whatnot. So QCOM, what I've noticed is it does like to trade a bit with the markets. So yeah, the markets are still selling off. So we'll give this little opportunity to run here. I missed my opportunity to break even on this. 15. All right, cool. So we're out. $1.61 we made on it. So we turned that losing trade into a green trade. And then CVS, $2 instead of the $15 or so that we could have made. So we're looking at what, $3 on the day. Not a great day. But traders, I'm going to go ahead and shut it down right there. I'm just not focused today. And you need, when you're not focused and your head's not in the game, sometimes it's better not to play. So I'm going to go ahead and shut it down. So we took CVS. We had obviously this is was a winner, but I messed it up. And then, so it wasn't really that much of a winner. But we also had the modified play. So the play that you see right here is part of the day trading strategy. We had our switch in the algorithm. We had permission to get in the trade. And my other monitor volume agrees with what I want to do. The first part of the day, though, we did have our modified play in the switch with the algorithm. Winner right there. I missed it. Just not focused today. So I could have had 2 winners right there out of CVS, which would have been sweet. And then QCOM, we had our modified play. And like I said, the market was selling off, and a lot of times this follows it. So I was like, man, I shouldn't take this today. But I did it anyway, and it was a loser. So I was able to speed bump this play and recover all my losses. So question for you traders out there trading with technical analysis and various other things. When you are getting into your trade, do you know where your target is and where your stop is if you're wrong, right? Your target if you're right, stop if you're wrong. Do you know where that is? And if you do know where that is and you know where your stop is, how come you don't reverse your trades? Why don't you just play it the other direction? If you're going to get out there because you know it's going against you, why not just reverse your trade and recover some of your losses? So just a question. I'm not saying to do that. I'm just asking, why don't you do that? Or something to think about. So I don't always do it because there's certain things in the market, as I teach over at 2020daytrader.com, that would be a warning sign to reverse my trade. Might be a double loser if I do it. But a lot of times when I reverse my trades, because I know I'm wrong at that spot, I can recover a portion of my losses or all of it. So something to think about. All right, everybody, have an awesome day. I will not be trading tomorrow. I'll be traveling. I might be able to trade on Wednesday, maybe if I get back to a computer in time. And I'm definitely not trading on Thursday or Friday. So if some futures trades pop up when I'm able to be on the computer, then I'll definitely take those and bring it to you. But the rest of this week, I'll be doing a lot of traveling, and I won't be still for very long. So it'll be hard to get some trades in. So there we go. So that's going to probably just be my week and then I'll close out November. There's a nice green November. So what do we got? $3 basically. So let's pull up the log here. Scaling ladder. So we're going to round, because I've been rounding down all these times when I had pennies. I'm just going to round up this time. The 40 cents or 39 cents. We're going to get rid of that. And we're going to give us another green bar. So 3 more green bars. Had I played CVS correctly, could have had another green bar in there right there. Could have been 2 away from 30, but now we're 3 away from scaling to 30. I can't wait till we can get this thing rocking and rolling, scaling this thing all the way to $500 trade range. It's going to be sweet. But until then, we'll take our 20s and slowly grow this account. All right, everybody, have an awesome week. See you next week.